In the last video, we have seen how the monsoon advances in India. It begins on the 1st of June, covering the coast of Kerala and covers the whole of India by 15th of July. The withdrawal or the retreat of the monsoon is a more gradual process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in the northwestern state of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon withdraws from rest of the country. Coming back to the rotation and revolution of the earth. On 23rd September, the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator. So, planet Earth will have equal day and night. But from 23rd September onwards, the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The southern hemisphere receives vertical rays of the sun, whereas the northern hemisphere, where even India lies, receives oblique rays of the sun. So the night becomes longer and the day becomes shorter, and this gives rise to winter conditions. In the northern part of India, the temperature starts decreasing and the pressure starts increasing. The monsoon trough of low pressure, that is the monsoon, we can say a belt of low pressure, turns weaker and it is progressively replaced by high pressure. Earlier, we have seen that the ITCZ zone shifts northward towards the Tropic of Cancer, because of which the southwest monsoon winds had developed. But after 23rd September, the ITCZ zone starts shifting southward. Now the low pressure conditions are developed in the Indian Ocean. So the southwest monsoon starts retreating from northern India in early October. Now it is a transition period between the rainy season and the cold and dry season. That is, we are moving from rainy season gradually towards cold and dry season. Hence, the month of October and November are known for the retreating monsoon. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear, cloudless sky and drop in the night temperature, but the land still remains moist. The combination of high temperature and humidity gives rise to an oppressive weather, and this is commonly known as October heat. The low pressure conditions now are transferred to the center of Bay of Bengal by early November. This shift of the low pressure area is marked by cyclonic depression which originate over the Andaman Sea, that is between 12° north and 17° north, and travel west or northwest over Bay of Bengal. It results in heavy and widespread rain on the coast of Tamil Nadu and parts of Odisha. These winds also results into storms. These storms are caused by tropical depression, that is a low pressure system which is originating in the Bay of Bengal, caused by local variations of heat and moisture. Whenever these storms occur, they cause great loss of life and property due to heavy rains on the eastern coastal regions of India. The areas most vulnerable to these storms include the coastal belts of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Later, they recurve and move towards the northeast. Many of the cyclones which strike the eastern coast of India, that is south of 15° north latitude, cross the southern peninsula and enter Arabian Sea. During this process, they may weaken, but on re-entry over the Arabian Sea, they intensify into cyclonic storms. The storms of Arabian Sea originate between 12° north and 17° north latitudes in October and between 8° north and 13° north latitudes in November. Generally, they move away from the coast in a northwesterly direction, but about 25% of them later recurve northeast and strike the Maharashtra and Gujarat coast. The retreating monsoons are generally dry except on the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Odisha and parts of Karnataka. The reason is when they are blowing over Bay of Bengal, they collect moisture. The interior parts of Deccan remains dry because they lie in the rain shadow regions of Eastern Ghats. The cold weather season commences at the end of November and continues till March. The skies are relatively clear with dry weather. Night temperatures are low, especially in northern India, but the days are pleasantly warm. The mean temperature in the northern plains is below 20 degrees Celsius and gets even lower in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Haryana. In winter season, January is usually the coldest month. The temperature remains quite low during the winter months over the Indian subcontinent. The mean maximum temperature for the month of January at Trivandrum is as high as 31 degrees Celsius. At Calicut, it is 26 degrees Celsius. Whereas at Chennai, 24 degrees Celsius, and we come towards north, Varanasi, it is 16 degrees Celsius. And if we go further north, Jammu, it is 10 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature decreases from south towards north. Dras Valley in Kashmir, which is near Kargil, records a minimum temperature of minus 45 degrees Celsius. It is the coldest place in India, and the excessive cold in North India during this season is due to following reasons. First of all, in the month of February, the cold winds from the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan bring cold wave over the northwestern part of India. Second, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan experiences continental type of climates. Because they are located far away from the sea and they don't experience the moderating influence of sea. The snowfall in the nearby Himalayan ranges creates cold wave situations. In peninsular India, the average temperatures lies between 20 to 25 degrees and it does not have any well-defined cold weather seasons. The coastal areas hardly experience any seasonal change in the distribution pattern of temperature. This is due to the moderating influence of the sea and proximity to the equator. For example, the mean maximum temperature for June at Tiruvananthapuram is 29.5 degrees Celsius and it is 31 degrees Celsius for January. During this season, the northeastern trade winds prevail over the country. These winds blow from land to sea and hence most part of the country it is dry season. As these winds blow from northeast to southwest, these winds are called as northeast monsoon winds. Now there are some areas which do receive rainfall in winter and they are first one central part of India and northern part of peninsula gets occasional rainfall in winter. Though the amount of this rainfall is meager, it is quite beneficial for the rabi crops, that is winter crops, mainly wheat. Some weak temperate cyclones from the Mediterranean Sea cause rainfall in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and western Uttar Pradesh. These low pressure systems are called western disturbances. They originate over the Mediterranean Sea. They travel eastwards across Iran and Pakistan and reach India during winter season. On an average, these regions receive 4 to 5 showers of rain, and this is very helpful for growing wheat, which is a rabi crop. These rainfalls mainly occur between December and February. The northeast part of India also gets rainfall during winter months. The states are Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. They get rain between 25 to 50 millimeters during winters. In the months of October and November, northeast monsoon, while crossing over Bay of Bengal, pick up moisture and brings torrential rainfall over Tamil Nadu coast and southern tips of Andhra Pradesh. If I take up the coast of Tamil Nadu, it receives rainfall from three different sources. That is southwest monsoon winds, season of retreating monsoon, and northeast monsoon winds. Similarly, even Punjab receives rainfall from three different sources, and they are Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch, and western disturbances.